Want to sell on TikTok but don't know where to start? Today, I'm giving you a complete walkthrough of TikTok's interface, both mobile and desktop, so you can navigate like a pro. Let's get into it. Here's something most people don't realize. TikTok's interface is 90% identical to Douyin, China's version of TikTok. Same algorithm, same interaction design. This means if you understand TikTok's layout, you're already ahead of the game. And TikTok is still in early commercialization. The opportunity is wide open. Let's start with mobile, where 90% of users spend their time. The right side has your engagement bar: like, comment, save, and share. The bottom navigation takes you to home, friends, upload, and messages. Notice TikTok has fewer categories than Douyin. That's because it's still developing its commercial features. Less competition, more opportunity. Your account page has 3 key numbers you need to watch. First, your following count. This affects what content the algorithm shows you. Second, your followers. This is your monetization power. And third, your likes.